Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to split one column into multiple columns in Excel. First, let's start with some sample data. We have here name, age, and country. To begin, select the columns that you want to split. Go to the top menu, find the Data tab, and then look for an option called Text to Columns. Click on it. Next, you'll need to choose a delimiter. A delimiter is what tells the software where to split the data. For names, a space is usually best. Select space as your delimiter in the options. By default, general format is selected here, but you can change format for each column by clicking on it in Data Preview. Then we click Finish. And that's it! You've successfully split a single column into multiple columns. It's super simple and can make organizing your data way easier. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.